In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 powerful yet underrated AI tools that will allow you to create these 3 types of viral content without spending hours on editing. AI video generation is the future of content creation for YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. Each video is part of 3 different popular groups of videos, each renowned for its ability to drive success on various platforms. With hundreds of AI tools out there, it can be hard to know which ones are actually useful and easy to use. That's why I tested several tools for you to find the best options. First up is dupdub.com. It is a one-stop platform for all your content creation needs. Besides features like AI script writing and advanced customizable text-to-speech, it has an amazing AI called Talking Avatars that lets you generate human-like videos in minutes. Alright, to make an AI-generated video, you'll first need an AI image. I recommend using lexica.art. It has a huge library of AI art you can use for free. Or you can have it generate any type of image you want, but to speed things up, I'll just search for an AI avatar I like. This one works. Just kidding, I will go with this one. Now let's get you signed up for dupdub. They offer a free plan with a bunch of handy tools: text-to-speech, basic video editing, transcription. They can also translate text and generate matching voiceovers in different languages. And a handy video downloader too. Pretty cool, right? Okay, click New File to get to the built-in AI text and voice generator. It's similar to ChatGPT. Type / and prompt it to give you a short business saying or quote. Whoa, that's way better quality than I thought. Moving on, choose a voice. Click here to expand it. Dupdub has a pretty advanced AI voiceover feature with tons of filters, so you can get the voiceover exactly how you want. The defaults work fine for most videos, but for this one, I'll go with an adult male voice, a narrative scenario, and a hopeful style to match the wise saying vibe. Give it a listen to make sure you like it.
Success is not just measured by the wealth you accumulate, but by the positive impact you
Hit generate and export the audio file. Now go back and click on Talking Photo to put the video together. Upload your cropped square AI image. Upload the voiceover you just made. While the video is being processed, let me tell you they also have their slick mobile app to do all this on your phone. And there's your AI-generated talking head video.
Success is not just measured by the wealth you accumulate, but by the positive impact you make on others and the world around you. As a businessman.
As always, all the links are in the description for your convenience. Next up, video.ai takes your long videos and turns them into many short viral clips in just a few minutes. How does it do that? An AI analyzes your video and pulls out the most engaging moments based on what typically goes viral online. Sign up for their free account. Search YouTube for any viral content you want to repurpose. As an example, I'll search for Mr. Beast because
clip my videos, react to my videos on your Twitch stream, your whatever stream, clip my videos, put it on TikTok, I don't care.
Copy the video link and paste it into video.ai. It will automatically download the video to generate viral videos you can use as shorts, TikTok, Reels, or all 3. It asks you to pick caption styles. But skip this step for now. Give it some time to make the videos. Here are all the shorts it has generated based on the video. Click on them to see the auto-generated shorts with titles based on each clip. The AI does a great job, but you can customize things by clicking here. Change the template style. I like this one. It has another feature called Cut Magic for auto-scene detection for podcast and vlog videos. You can also play around with subtitles. Simply click here to download your videos.
For this next challenge, we brought back something I know. Now, obviously, the probability of him getting to the other...
I'll see you in a couple more hours. We're gonna go film. Why would you?
Finally, flexclip.com. It also offers a bunch of AI tools like video scripts, image generation from text, text-to-speech, text-to-video, auto captions, and a few more, but it stands ahead in terms of video editing features. It's best for content creators, marketers, and social media managers. Sign up for their free account first. Click Create a Video, and then go to Tools to access the built-in AI tools. First, use an AI video script to generate a short script about 3 random facts. Simplify the script to just the facts and copy it. Go back and click Text to Speech. Pick a voice and make sure to select the friendly style. Paste the script and generate the voiceover. Add the voiceover to the timeline by clicking here. Stretch the black layer to match its length. Again, go back to Tools. Use the AI image generator to create images matching the voiceover. For this, first, you need to listen to the voiceover, pick 3 keywords, and type them in the box to create AI images for each keyword. Click the plus icon to add each image to a new layer aligned with the voiceover. Enhance the clip with overlays. The Flex clip has a bunch of them. I'll add a few on our clip. This tool has a few more handy features like stock GIFs, photos, and videos. Click on Subtitles to add Auto AI subtitles with the style of your choice. Let's bring them to the middle and add a few customizations to the font, color, and background to make them pop a bit more. When done, click Export to finalize the video.
Did you know that the Mona Lisa has no eyebrows? Yep, you heard it right. Leonardo da Vinci, the genius artist, decided not to include them when he painted this iconic masterpiece. It's one of the many mysterious elements that make the Mona Lisa even more intriguing.
If you want to learn more, you can find me on Twitter. I share lots of quick AI stuff there that I don't talk about on YouTube. Plus, I've started a highly requested newsletter. Now you won't miss any new updates in the world of AI. I know it takes patience to see results online, but stay consistent with your content game. Improve with every video, and your videos are bound to perform well over time. Give them a shot. They might just become your new favorite.